ChatSonic, your personalized AI-powered chatbot. In this video, I will give you a ChatSonic review. It's the first personalized AI-powered chatbot that is powered by Google Search. That means it gives you information up to date on the topic you are writing about. And there is no more typing. You can give voice commands to ChatSonic and it will generate the content for you. ChatSonic AI chat assistant also acts as your AI art generator. To access ChatSonic, you just have to go to your WriteSonic dashboard and you will find the option right here. All you have to do is just enter your prompts here at the bottom, and at the top you can also select your personality if you want to go with the general AI, English translator, interviewer. So you can actually give a personality to your ChatSonic so that it gives you answer according to that. That is amazing. Then we also have ask a complex question, so we can go with complex questions here. We can create digital art, and we have give voice commands and generate a professional content. So I will actually go and show you one by one all of these. I'm gonna go with the simple general AI here, and what we will do is we'll ask it a very simple question. So my question: what teams played in the FIFA semi-finals? And now we have our answer. You can see ChatSonic gave me the answer, and we also got the reference. Now this is the difference between ChatSonic and other chatbots. This data is powered by Google, so we don't need to do more search here. The data is going to be accurate, and we also get references. Now, if I want to ask some follow-up questions, I can simply do that. Let's ask ChatSonic something complex, such as a comparison. We also got some references. If you're not happy with the answer, you can click on regenerate. ChatSonic will regenerate the answer for you. We can also give it a like, dislike, and add it in Sonic Editor. We can download text-to-speech, copy to clipboard, and add it. Now, text-to-speech is actually a really good option, and you can click on this and ChatSonic will actually read this information for you. Create a digital artwork with ChatSonic. So my prompt is create an HD wallpaper of a super cool sports car racing on the track, and these are the generated images. These images actually look amazing. We can create different types of images. This is a really good option available within your chatbot. A lot of chatbots do not allow AI image generation within the chat, but this is available in ChatSonic. Let's actually give a voice command. To activate the voice command, you will click on start recording. Write a Facebook ad selling a skincare product. And here we have our Facebook ad, and it looks amazing. You can see this is what ChatSonic generated for us. It has all of the points. Very good ad here. Generate a professional content. So we'll go with this one. Write a high converting landing page headline and a sub headline for ChatSonic. We have a headline and a sub headline for our high converting landing page. Let's write an email. I asked ChatSonic to write me an email, apply for a job as a marketing agent. And you can see this is my email ready to go. All I have to do is just insert my name here, and we can just change a little bit of information here. So you can save a lot of time and money with ChatSonic. If you want to generate images, ask it simple questions, complex, write emails, and ChatSonic is the chatbot for you. It has everything, all of the different tools that you need. If this video was helpful, let us know in the comments down below, and give this video a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to watch this next video, WriteSonic tutorial, WriteSonic's new Sonic mode.